Welcome to 1 Minute Math. Today we're going to be talking about multiplying integers. There's two rules for multiplying integers. First, if the signs are the same, both are positive or both are negative, the answer will be positive. If they're different signs, one is negative, one is positive, the answer will be negative. Okay, here are two examples. The first one is just 5 times 8, which is 40. They have the same sign, so it's positive. The second one is negative 9 times 7, which is negative 63. Different signs, so they're negative. I tell my students, same sign positive, different sign negative. Now you try it. Pause the video so you don't see the final answers.
2,000 years later.
Did you get them right? 5 times 12 is 60. Both are positive, so positive 60. Negative 3 times 9 is negative 27. Different signs, so the answer is negative. Hope this helps with the rules for multiplying integers. If so, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it.